Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you quickly how I did lesson 3, and so I'll be creating lesson 5. So first, you want to create a Google Slides or a PowerPoint. I just prefer Google Slides because I can share it with others. And so first, here we go, lesson 5 ULS, and you're going to want to open another tab where you've downloaded the PDF of whatever lesson you want to do, because it's a whole lot of screenshotting, saving or cropping it, and then saving it, and then inserting it in Google Slides. So I'll just quickly show you how I did that. So I have the page, I shrink it so that I can fit the whole thing in there. You can make it smaller or bigger as you like. And then screenshot is the little Windows button at the bottom of your keyboard on the left. Hold that down, then Shift, and then S as in snake. That will screenshot your page. You click the page once you've hit those buttons. It pops up on the side over here. Click that quickly so you don't have to go find it. Then this is image crop. We click image crop. Crop it down to how you want it. I just want the pages. If you find an easier way how to do this, by all means do that. This is the only way I can think of doing it right now. So click the little check mark. Now you have your image. I didn't mean to write on it. And so you're going to save that image. I always save everything to my desktop just because it's easy to find. And I'll do page 1, lesson 5. And so I'm going to do this for all the pages. Once I've saved it, I will go back to Google Slides, insert, image, upload, and we know that's page where I named it. Desktop, I named it page 1. Here we go, page 1, lesson 5, and there it is. And so I'm just going to shrink it. And so this is what I'll do the entire time. I'll just crop all of those pages and insert them into the slides. Add a new slide, do the next page. After I've done all of that, then I think about the questions that I want to ask our students, and I'll write the questions out, and then whatever visuals my questions need, then I go into symbol sticks, and then I do the same thing where I screenshot the symbol sticks I want, save them, and then insert them. It's pretty time consuming, but it goes by pretty quickly if you just have a system down, and then just make sure you have your different tabs so you can just keep clicking. Like I would have symbol sticks open here as well. That's that. And then the best part is when you're ready to present. So I think you're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic.com. So let me see. I'll type it on here. Screencast-O-Matic.com. Just Google search this, and it's really easy to download, and just play around with it. But this is how I get the audio on here, and if you want your face in the slideshow as well, then you can choose like screen and face, and it's really cool. You can move it around, and whatever you want in the screen you can have in the screen. Yeah, that's pretty much all I know how to explain it. Once you just get on there and once you do it, you'll see it's really easy. This is what Eric and Shannon directed me to use, and yeah, I really like it. But if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks. Oh, and you can only do up to 15 minutes. So my first one, I just spoke too long, and so it cut me off. But oh, I'll show it to you. Here we go. That's okay. Screencast-O-Matic. Here we go. I just log in with Google since I already have a Google account. And you can click right here, launch recorder. It's telling me it's already open. If you go down here, you can see it's this little thing right here. And I just leave it open on my screen. And I know you have, you should probably tell your parents first, but this actually could be a good thing for to record your group instructions as well. But find out more information on that. I haven't done that yet, but if that was something we're doing, I think this would be a good tool to use for that. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for listening. Bye.